Hi everyone, from today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a perfect pizza dough at your home or at your business. So stay tuned with the video until the end, and if you like my video please subscribe my channel and support. Thank you.
This is 4 kilo of flour and this ice water and honey and yeast and salt. So for 1 kilo we will use 20 gram of salt and 2 gram of dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of honey and ice water 600 ml. So first we're going to make 4 kilos, so we're going to put 600 times 4 to our mixing bowl. Okay, and now we're going to add the yeast to the water and the honey. And we're going to mix it a little bit. You can mix by hand also. And we will leave it around for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, now so after about 2 minutes we will add half of the flour that we measured to the mixing bowl. And we will start the process at low speed.
So as I said in the beginning of this video that you can make this dough at your home. So if you guys don't have a mixing bowl at your home, you can use your hands to mix the dough, but you need to make sure that all the ingredients and everything will combine together to the dough.
We will add the remaining. So now we will going to add the salt all at once and the remaining flour all little by little. And we will knead the dough about 10 to 15 minutes until it gets all together and it gets smooth. So at this point we will little bit speed up the machine. So now you can see the dough is little bit sticky. So we will leave it for 5 minutes like this, and we will start again the kneading for 5 seconds, then finish. Rest for 5 minutes. Now we will put high speed on the machine and we will knead for 5 seconds. Done. Now we can remove the dough from the machine and make a ball.
So now we are done with our kneading process. So you can now as in the video, you can get some olive oil and rub it on top and little bit massage the dough, and after that you can cover it with a cling film, or you need to make sure to cover it properly for around 15 minutes. And so at this point the gluten will get more strong, so that's why we're covering and keeping it for rest. And after that you can cut it into balls for 200 grams to 250 grams and place it on a tray or a big bowl that we can put the dough, and leave it in the chiller for 24 hours. Minimum 24 hours we need to keep in the fridge the dough. So after that you can use, so it's full ferment, the dough will get full ferment. After that you can use it to make a pizza. I will show you in another video how to make the balls, how to cut the dough and how to make the dough balls. And if you like this video, share it and like it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.